Okay, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Boby Ade Saputra, and my NPM 7432069 from class RPL 51. Right now, I want to present there about halal supply chain risk in Indonesia downstream sector. Let's get here first. First, there's abstract. The studies on the hazard of the halal meat supply chain in Indonesia's downstream sector, which includes logistics, wholesaler, and food services, with increasing demand for halal meat due to increased awareness of food safety and halal standards. The study identified 48 concerns using a literature analysis and an expert validation. The findings seek to better understanding of this risk as well as offer topics for future research to improve halal supply chain management. And next, we go into the introduction. Demand for halal dishes is increasing significantly as consumers become more aware of the benefits of halal and safe meals. The halal supply chain makes sure that meals fulfill Islamic rules from produce the consumptions in Indonesia, the downstream meat supply chain, which include transportations, wholesalers, and food services, confronts numerous obstacles in ensuring halal integrity. These studies aims to identify and validate the hazard associated with the halal meat supply chain in this sector. So, with my literature review, halal as defined by Islamic law applies to all aspects of life, including food consumption. The halal supply chain combines the halal and toib. The toib means wholesome concept ensure that the items are manufactured, stored, and delivered in conformity with Islamic standard. Halal, halal logistics, warehousing, and retail operation are all essential components of the halal supply chain. Risks in the halal food supply chain include cross-contamination, inappropriate handling, and a lack of halal certification in logistics. These concerns can jeopardize the halal status of products, causing difficulties for halal supply chain management. And so the result of my review is first, the study identified 48 risk factors in the halal food supply chain in Indonesia's downstream industry. These concerns cover logistics, storage, and food services. Expert identified new dangers related to the warehousing and cooking operation, emphasizing and the importance of regular cleaning and proper tool usage to ensure halal integrity. So the discussion about this material review focuses on the importance of resolving this hazard in order to guarantee halal purity of beef product. It emphasizes the importance of regular warehouse cleaning, proper classification of halal and non-halal items, and commitment to halal standards in cooking methods. The report also emphasizes the significance of ongoing improvement and adaptation to halal supply chain procedure. So, in conclusion, in this review, according to the study's conclusion, there are a lot of dangers connected to the Indonesia downstream halal meat supply chain that must be controlled to maintain halal standards. The study's conclusion serve a foundation for future investigation into risk evaluation and mitigation techniques in the halal supply chain. It also recommends increasing the scope to the cover additional halal goods like pharmaceuticals and cosmetic are the other things that are related with the halal supply chain logistics. So, in my opinion in here, about this review is first, the downstream sector of Indonesia halal supply chain is confronted with the serious issues that require prompt attention from everybody and efficient management from the company. Indonesia, the country with the largest Muslim population, has a strong demand for halal goods, but the industry, which encompasses wholesalers, merchants, and logistics, is based by hazard inadequate halal protocol observance and contamination. And second, the improper separation of halal and non-halal items, which breeds cross-contamination and erodes consumer confidence, is a serious problem. These risks are further increased by a lack of skilled workers and logistics suppliers with halal certification, compromising the halal integrity of the products. And last but not least, stricter halal certification requirement for logistic providers, improved training in CSF, and the application of blockchain technology to traceability are some areas that could use improvement. By utilizing strong management, techniques to handle these risks. Indonesia can ensure the integrity of halal products, meeting consumer demands and bolstering its position in the global halal market. So I think this is opinion me about the future investigation about halal and risk supply chain management. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. I hope you like it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.